Hey, salut à tous, c'est Cardan. On se retrouve pour ce nouvel épisode du Let's Play de Dreamfall Chapters et on est dans l'interlude 4 en compagnie de Saga. On vient juste de revenir dans la maison via un portail et elle nous a donné comme mission d'aller récupérer quelques ingrédients.
I don't know if I like
Étonnamment.
it.
Bon, bah elle est belle ta peinture, qu'est-ce que tu racontes? Alors on note que la petite maison, par contre, ils l'ont virée. Il y a des feuilles, c'est l'automne. Bon, pourquoi il y a des feuilles à l'intérieur, je ne sais pas.
I put away most of their stuff when Papa left. What's the point in keeping things around? It's not like they're ever coming back.
Ah, il est parti, papa, du coup. Je sais pas où il est parti. Ok, du coup, c'est un peu chez toi, mais il n'y a plus que toi. D'accord.
I'm not sure what to do with the place. It's not like I can put it on the open market. Transdimensional domicile for sale, fully furnished. Beware temporal shifts and transdimensional tears.
On note que la fenêtre est ouverte, c'est pour ça qu'il y a des feuilles.
I barely remember her. And I barely think about her anymore. It was time to let go. Oh, I was a handful back then. It's a miracle Papa didn't lock me in my room. Not that it would have done much good. Paths and portals everywhere. I devoured those books when I was younger. It was all I had of the outside world. My books, and Uncle Galeth. But he was careful not to say too much. He knew I was too curious. I'll move those out of here, someday.
Ok. Bon, alors il faut trouver un élixir, une corde et une spatule. Je sais pas pourquoi. C'était vraiment pas clair pourquoi elle a sorti ça comme ça. Mais bon. Après, j'aime bien dire la zone n'est pas si
I
grande donc
still
ça
don't like
devrait
to go
aller,
into
mais
the downstairs.
on sait qu'on a
It's
déjà
not
passé
anchored
beaucoup de
in the
temps dans
same
cette
way.
petite maison à
There
chercher
are
des trucs.
rifts, ether
Ils sont assez
vapors,
doués pour
not
cacher
to
les choses
mention,
là-dedans.
void beetles. I put away most of their stuff when Papa left. What's the point in keeping things around? It's not like they're ever coming back.
Il y a une cuillère là. Pas ça que tu voulais? Ah, une spatule, pas une cuillère. Ok. La radio, l'éternelle radio.
It stopped working years ago, and I don't know anyone who can repair that.
Pas si éternelle du coup. La spatule elle est là, c'est ça.
Spatula? Check.
Donc il nous faut un élixir et une corde. Bah, il y a l'air d'avoir des fioles dans tous les sens ici. Pas ça l'élixir?
I'm out of the elixir. Okay, I knew that. No worries, Saga, this is all part of the plan. I'm fairly certain the recipe's in the compendium. There should be enough time to prepare a bottle. Prophecies can't be wrong, can they? No. Right?
Ok. Bon, du coup, on peut pas trouver de l'élixir, mais on peut le concocter. Voilà, le compendium est juste à côté. Hop.
Let's see. Elixir of extraordinary extra human strength, elixir of multiple consecutive climaxes, elixir of selective remembrance. There. Elixir of delayed onset of mortality. That's the one. Keep ticking after you've taken a licking. Page 108. Dried blood bog blossoms, leaf of void oak, boiled in strong liquor. Those things should be easy enough to find around here.
Oh là 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 là. On a encore trois nouveaux trucs à trouver.
Ready for elixir making.
Ok. Bon. On va poursuivre un petit peu notre tour pour voir si on trouve pas la corde. Ce serait toujours ça de fait.
Mama was beautiful. I guess I got my looks from Papa.
Bon, pourquoi t'es... Bah en fait, t'as le regard sévère. C'est vrai que t'as les traits un peu sévères, quoi. Mais bon, y a rien de moche, hein. Tu dis des bêtises, Saga.
Shepherd's heart. A powerful herb, but not what I need today.
Ah bon?
If I was making a broth to cure path sickness, sure. Delaying death? Not so. I'll move those out of here. Someday.
Ok. Il y a encore d'autres plantes là.
Shepherd's heart.
Ah, c'est la même
A
chose.
powerful herb, but not what I need today.
On vérifie au cas où, mais...
Shepherd's heart. A powerful herb, but not what I need. Isn't the house supposed to take care of all living things inside it? I didn't know I had to water the flowers.
Ah bah bravo.
But wait, maybe...
Eh ouais,
Dried blood bog blossoms. Check.
ok. Bon, c'est pas la corde, bon, on a un des 3 ingrédients.
I'm not sure I like that reminder. She haunted us for so long, and her ghost took Papa away from me.
Oh. Vous croyez qu'il s'est donné la mort, son père?
I'm not a writer. I can play, I can paint, but I
Ah,
didn't
ça me
inherit
frustre
her
parce que
talent.
je sais pas, du coup.
I don't think I'm ever moving back. Maybe in my twilight years? No. There are better places, warmer places.
Ah, il y a une petite ambiance un petit peu triste qui se
I
dégage.
think I know most of them by heart still. I didn't have a lot of choices back then. I devoured those books when I was younger. It was all I had of the outside world. My books, and Uncle Galeth. But he was careful not to say too much. He knew I was too curious. Before Papa left, I don't think the fire ever went out. He wouldn't let it. He said it was the beating heart of the house. I'm not sticking around very long. Next time.
Ok.
I think I know most of them by heart still. I didn't have a lot of choices back then. They were happy here. For a brief time. And then...
Oh, du vin, ça va nous
attachments
servir.
are risky. Great wine, but not enough alcohol for my
Ah
purposes.
mince,
Also, boiling this would be sacrilege.
flûte. Et ça, c'est
Jade
du
Green
baijiu.
Baiju. High-grade stuff, too. I'd almost forgotten about this little bottle of liquor. This should be more than
Okay.
good enough.
Bon, c'était vraiment pour mettre une petite ligne de dialogue. Hein. Là, il y a l'air de rien avoir par la photo de maman.
I barely remember her. And I barely think about her anymore. It was time. I thought Papa got rid of Hugsy. Did he find his way back? It wouldn't surprise me.
Kalinou.
Too many memories. Was I happy here? I was basically a prisoner. But I guess I didn't know any better.
Là, c'est une corde, ça.
Rope check.
Ok. Du coup, il nous reste des feuilles de chêne du vide. Bah, c'est pas ce qu'il y a dans votre chambre, ça, par hasard?
I put away most of their stuff when
On va
Papa
vérifier si on
left.
peut aller là-bas, mais je pense
What's
qu'on
the
pourra
point
pas.
in keeping things around? It's not like they're ever coming back. There's nothing I need in there.
Ouais, on n'a pas le droit. On va vérifier si c'est pas les feuilles qu'il y avait sur notre lit, du coup. Sur notre lit, oui, ici.
What a mess. But there should be void oak leaves here. Leaf of void oak. Nice and dry. I think that's it. That wasn't too bad. And there's still time on the clock. Time to boil up some elixir.
Alors, elle a parlé de temps, elle a parlé de prophétie.
Ready for elixir making.
J'imagine qu'on peut tout mettre là-dedans, quoi.
No, this doesn't. Ready for elixir making. That's the alcohol heating nicely. Nice. Bit of a waste, but it's for a good cause.
Hop. Des feuilles
Dried
séchées.
leaf, crumpled to a fine dust. And whole blossoms. Perfect.
Voilà.
Now it just needs to boil again. How do I know when this is done? Will there be a... Definitely a poof.
A
Looks the
pouf.
right color, and it's already cooled down. I love alchemy. So much easier than chemistry. Laws of science need not apply. Rope, spatula, elixir. Check, check, and check. I think that's everything. With only minutes to spare, you'd almost think the stars are aligning on purpose. Except no stars, paths. Time to go knock down a wall. With my bare hands? No, Papa did too good a job with the masonry.
Alors, faut combiner les trucs, mais bon, dans quel sens?
This is it, the elixir. I hope it actually worked.
Je suis pas sûr de comprendre là ce qu'elle attend de moi. Qu'est-ce que t'attends de moi, Saga? Vas-y, exprime-toi.
The humble spatula, queen of kitchen utensils.
Ça a l'air de rien faire si j'essaie de combiner. Peut-être qu'il faut l'accrocher ailleurs, la corde. Ou alors faut peut-être que je bois l'élixir. Non,
This is
je
it,
peux pas.
the elixir. I hope it actually works.
Et si je l'inspecte, je peux peut-être retirer le
This is
bouchon.
it, the elixir.
C'est vague, hein? C'est vague les informations qu'on nous a données.
I hope it actually works. This should be long enough and strong enough to get me where I.
Ok.
This should be long enough and strong enough to get me where I need to go. The humble spatula.
Là, je comprends pas.
This is it, the elixir. This should be. The humble.
Bon, ça me frustre un petit peu là. Donne-moi un indice, Saga, s'il te plaît.
Papa was so worried about the cracks reopening, he checked the wall every day for decades.
Ok. Ben super. C'est super ce que tu me racontes. Je sais pas ce qui me manque.
All those years wanting to walk out that door, pass through the turnstiles, and never come back. Much as I want to, I can't just wander down random paths today. I have prophecies to fulfill.
Qu'est-ce que j'ai pas compris? Il n'y a pas d'autre action, de toute façon.
This is it. This is it. The elixir.
Je sais pas.
I hope it
Je
actually
sais vraiment
works.
pas.
The Hidden World of the Herbal Alchemist, a compendium of curious cordials, Volume 1. The sequels were. This is it. The elixir. I hope it actually works. It stopped working years ago, and I don't know anyone who can repair that.
Bon, essayons de penser en dehors de la boîte. On doit casser un mur. On a une masse ici. Ah.
This should do the trick.
Ah, bah, ok. Ok. Du coup, ça sert à quoi l'élixir et tout ça? Ok, c'est tout, ça avait rien à voir avec les ingrédients. Abîmer tes habits. Hein. Ok, super. On a pris une spatule, une corde, mais on sait pas pourquoi. La prophétie, hein, écoutez. C'est comme ça. C'est magique. Cherchez pas. Et on reste avec Saga. Très bien.
You know that feeling when paths don't line up with where you want to go? That feeling. In all fairness, when these songlines were first sung, I don't think these walls were here. Or these metal gears. No worries. I come prepared, because prophecies.
Ok.
I do love their style.
On est vraiment dans une grosse machine là. Peut-être le moteur. C'est dur de situer parce qu'on n'a pas d'indicateur temporel en fait. Mais possible quoi. Bien. C'est un peu joli quand même. Je vois pas d'éléments avec lesquels interagir. Juste un chemin. Ah, j'y avais un truc ici.
Someone must be tasked with keeping these pipes polished, or no one ever sees them. That's attention to detail.
Alors il y a des machines, on peut pas interagir non plus, et on arrive ici. Et ça nous aide pas des masses. Ça nous aide même pas du tout. Ah, attends.
This is so enormous. I'm almost impressed. But I've seen too much. I'm just too jaded.
Ok. On voit qu'il y a une échelle hein, dedans là. Au bout. Mais on peut pas y accéder. Enfin, je crois qu'il y a une échelle. C'est peut-être juste... Non, c'est les engrenages, ok. Je suis un peu surpris. Le chemin avait l'air de mener par ici. Mais ben, visiblement, il n'y a rien. C'est pas possible qu'il n'y ait rien. Je suis pas fou. Peut-être utiliser la corde ici.
This should be long enough.
Bon, non,
The
on peut rien
humble
utiliser.
spatula.
Élixir,
Queen
je sais
of
pas quoi
Kit,
c'est.
this is it. The elixir. I hope it actually works.
Curieux. Très curieux. Bon, on va inspecter un peu mieux du coup. J'ai peut-être raté des trucs. Oh, le chemin il mène bien là-bas quand même. Hein. Et là, il n'y a rien du tout en fait. Oh là, je rate une manivelle quelque part, c'est ça? Je serais pas surpris. Hein. Non. Tuyau. C'est fou ça.
It's like being inside a massive mechanical Swiss watch. This is
peux
so
comprendre.
enormous. I'm almost impressed, but I've seen too much.
Mais qu'est-ce que
Just
je
too
rate?
jaded.
C'est fou ça. On n'est pas très doué aujourd'hui. Hein. Je vois vraiment rien. Du coup, c'est peut-être avec mes objets, mais... Je vais en mettre la spatule dans un engrenage à un moment.
I do love their style.
À savoir lequel. Bonne question.
It's like being inside a massive mechanical Swiss watch. The humble spatula, queen of kitchen utensils.
Mhm.
There's a gap and I can feel a draft. This is it, the way out.
Ok. Interstice. Alors, fallait vraiment le voir là parce que c'est juste une grande roue, mais...
The humble spatula, queen of kitchen
Je
utensils.
teste, hein, on sait jamais.
This is it, the elixir. I hope it actually works. I'll need to stop those gears from moving before I can squeeze. I'll be mincemeat, and then we'll all look very silly for trusting prophecies.
Ok. Bon, pour l'arrêter... Faut que j'arrête un des autres. Ou alors ça m'a activé. Ah bah voilà, et on peut agir avec ça.
This is it. I just need to switch it off. Luckily, I came prepared.
Ah bon.
Hooray for very specific prophecy. Second one from Perfect Fit. The spatula really is the queen of kitchen utensils.
Oh lolololo. Un petit peu ridicule, hein. Mais très bien, on peut passer. C'est le
I
principal.
feel like I'm playing life on cheat mode.
Elle est bizarre ta prophétie quand même. Là, il n'y a rien. Et du coup, on n'a plus de spatule, il nous reste 2 objets. Ouh. C'est pas dégueulasse, hein. On va avoir le même problème là, non? Ah, il me l'indique pas, donc c'est pas là qu'on passe. C'est assez joli, hein, ça. Et on arrive au puits des rêves. À la machine. Probablement à la même période que Kian, hein, du coup.
That's him down there. I hope I'm not too late.
Ah!
We should be good. I'm on schedule.
Et du coup, elle va utiliser l'élixir pour qu'il revienne à la vie. Bref, Deus Ex Machina total. Total. Et peut-être qu'on va ressusciter Crow aussi.
Hang in there, Alvani.
Alors, faut que j'arrive à descendre. Est-ce qu'on a un passage par là? Non, c'est clos. Vérifie qu'il n'y a pas un petit levier ou un truc comme ça. J'en vois pas. Ah, c'est vraiment Deus Ex Machina, Saga. Là, on peut pas agir avec. Et là, on peut...
This looks pretty sturdy. Sturdy enough for a rope. This should be long enough and strong enough to get me where I need to go.
Ok, on a utilisé la corde. Et on utilise maintenant l'élixir.
Drink.
Ok, bon. Bah, ils ont intégré Saga dans l'histoire, mais moi je veux un vrai rattachement. Je veux pas juste pouf, elle pop, elle sauve Kian et puis voilà. Je serais extrêmement déçu si ça se limitait à ça, honnêtement. Mais bon, pour le moment, on suit Crow dans une version astrale de Zoé. Elle retrouve une espèce de Brian.
Shut up, shut up, shut up. Will you not stay silent for one bloody minute? I can't. I can't think. I can't sleep. I can't dream. I can't have you inside me. You're eating me up. Why are you not doing what I've asked you to do? You're supposed to give me power. You're supposed to serve me, not the other way around. Stop whispering! Magic must be destroyed for the worlds to become one. For Stark and Arcadia to reconnect. For me to return home. You must help me accomplish this. You must listen to me. You see, if magic leaks into Stark, it'll cause chaos and mayhem. Millions will die. I don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. It must be done.
So Brian is the prophet. That's a twist I didn't see coming. Who am I kidding? Of course I saw that coming.
Brian's possessed by the Undreaming. He brings it to Arcadia, and then it starts talking to him? Controlling him?
Sounded to me like he wanted to control it.
But why?
To destroy magic?
There must be more to it than that.
I'm just repeating what he said. Come on, there's much more.
Bah, il avait l'air de dire pour rentrer dans son monde. Mais bon, bah, je suis un peu blasé parce que moi, du coup, Brian, je lui ai fait confiance, je l'ai laissé inspecter les bouquins et du coup, ça va peut-être me porter préjudice dans la suite. Ça, c'est quand même un peu ballot. J'ai pas vu où il était parti, gros. Ça va, c'est le bon sens.
I've been here before.
The Dark People's Library. Something happened here that... Okay, here we go.
Who's there? Hello? Funnybird, is that you? Oh, I didn't see you. Are you looking for something? Wait.
Ok.
No.
Ok, ça rattache au précédent. Oh, il l'a tué. Oh là 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 là. Ça, c'était dans le jeu d'avant et c'est vrai qu'on savait pas ce qui s'était passé.
Yeah, and I was there. I saw Mr. Westhouse, and he saw me. He tried to kill me too, but I was struck with something from that pointy magic stick of his, and I blacked out. Next thing I know, I was stowed away on a ship to Sadir. I must have crawled into a barrel or something. I didn't remember any of it until the prophet grabbed me. I hurt him. There was blood, and I don't know what happened next, but his blood, that's what's helping me pull you into these memories. The prophet's blood. Is that weird?
No
Oui.
weirder than anything else I've experienced this past week.
Si.
Welcome to my life.
C'est un petit peu bizarre. Bon, ok, alors il a tué le dragon blanc. Mais pas mal le rattachement du coup, parce que c'est vrai que cette petite scène, je l'avais oubliée, c'était dans Dreamfall. Il me semble que c'était dans Dreamfall et on savait pas qui lui avait parlé. Bah visiblement, Brian Westhouse possédé et il a tué le dragon blanc. Très facilement même. Ça déprime un peu.
Do you question the goddess, Utana?
Of course not. I just want... I need to understand why all non-humans must be destroyed.
Magic is an aberration. It has no place in this cosmos. It's chaos, and chaos interferes with logic, with the engine, with her plans.
This I understand. Reunification cannot happen as long as Arcadia is ruled by magic. But the non-humans...
If we are to fulfill the wishes of the goddess, we must purify the world. Only then can the mechanical engine serve her. Do you understand now?
Yes, Master.
Il y a un truc qui me
My
gêne.
office will establish camps and ship non-humans to the islands. And I'll find someone to spearhead the program to eradicate magicals.
Good. I'll be leaving for the Northlands soon, to oversee the final construction of the tower and the engine. I trust Azadir is in good hands.
The masked council answers to me only. The Six will continue to heed our advice. Sadir belongs to us, Master Prophet.
And this new emissary?
Sister Saya will join you. She's young, but clever and loyal. She'll serve you well in Marcuria.
I trust your judgment. Send word when the camps are ready, Utana.
Bon, on fera pas de parallèle avec l'histoire de
Did you
notre monde, hein.
understand that?
C'est un petit peu trop
No,
gros.
but that was Mother Utana. She took me in after I arrived in Sadir. I did some work for her. She helped me get back to Marcuria. Kian and her appeared to be very close until she stabbed him with a knife to the belly.
She what?
That just happened. Out there, before the prophet wrung my neck and oh, Mother of Ravens, I remember now. I remember what happened. I think I died. Am I dead?
You're here, that's all I know. So Mother Utana serves the Prophet, and the Prophet orchestrates the destruction of magicals. Which means Westhouse is responsible for actual genocide. God.
I feel weird, Zoe. I don't like this feeling. I'm scared.
I'm sorry, Crow.
Le truc qui me dérange, en dehors du parallèle que je trouve beaucoup trop grossier, c'est... Ok, bon voilà, le prophète, il est contrôlé par le chaos, ça je veux bien. Mais pourquoi les 6, elles suivent le prophète et pourquoi lui est devenu prophète? Pourquoi Brian Westhouse est devenu un prophète dont la voix est forcément suivie par les 6? Ça, c'est pas expliqué. Et j'ai l'impression que ça va pas l'être parce que techniquement, je sais pas moi, si je vais dans un lieu de culte très haut et élevé, je vais pas mettre de nom, et que je dis je suis prophète, écoutez-moi, personne va m'écouter. Il y a un truc étrange. Il y a un truc étrange sur ça, je comprends pas trop. Peut-être qu'on aura un bout de cinématique qui nous l'expliquera, parce que sinon je trouve que c'est un trou dans le scénario, quoi. Il n'y a rien qui fait que les gens lui obéissent au prophète. Pour le moment en tout cas. Voilà, ça on l'a récupéré au Baba Yaga. Par contre, mes choix du coup de laisser Westhouse dans la maison, je les regrette beaucoup là, hein, j'ai peur. Hein.
That place. It was filled with numbers and calculations. An eternity of equations. I couldn't find my way out. It was terrifying. So much power. I owe you my life, sir.
And now you will serve me.
How?
You'll help me build something. A mechanical engine.
Like that calculator I was trapped inside?
Something like it, but much greater. On a scale never before seen. In return, I'll grant you power.
Power? What kind of power?
The kind you once knew, Necromancer King.
That was a long time ago. Another age. One in which magic meant something. I accept your proposition. So what's next? What did you do? What did you put inside me? Something to keep safe. Something that must remain hidden. It whispers to me. Don't listen to it. The Undreaming has ambitions. Best we don't let those ambitions loose on the world. Not yet. Tell no one of this. There are those who are willing to commit murder to get to what's inside you. My lips are sealed, Master. I swear. Only the scepter can shatter the shard of the Soul Stone you carry within. The Soul Stone? My Soul Stone? It was never yours, Wizard. But yes, a piece of it. This scepter and the Soul Stone were forged from the same dream at the beginning of everything. Is that the silver spear of Gorimon? Where did you find it? It harbors great and ancient magics. Could I? No. And not magic. This is an object older than magic. It can both control and destroy magic. It's capable of slicing through the fabric between worlds. It's so beautiful. I spent decades looking for it. I found it with one of the Dryad kin. It looks alive? It's been fed the blood of dragons, charged with the oldest magic of them all. It's finally ready. And once my engine has been built, the scepter's true powers will be revealed. You'll stay close to me. In Marcuria, I'll call on you when I need you. With the help of the Azadi nation, you'll build my engine. They're eager for the power they believe it'll grant them. They'll serve me, their prophet. In exchange, you'll have everything you could ever want. You'll be there, next to me, reshaping worlds. I look forward to it, Master.
I knew that wizard couldn't be trusted.
I could have told you that. Wait, I did. He was there. Clax. When the Prophet broke my neck, he's working for the Prophet.
So Clax has a shard of the Soul Stone inside him. That must be the same Soul Stone I brought to Lux. Why does the Prophet need to keep it safe?
Something to do with the Undreaming?
The Undreaming. It's inside that shard. It's not inside Westhouse because then it'd be controlling him, and he's the one controlling it. You were right, Crow.
I was? I think this is what I was supposed to show you.
Okay, so what's next?
We keep walking, I guess. I mean, maybe there's more to see.
Oh, April. Ok, bon, alors nous de ce qu'on a vu, toute cette histoire de prophète, ça se passe après The Longest Journey. Vu que c'est dans The Longest Journey que April enferme Rupert dans la calculatrice. Bon, désolé si vous n'avez pas vu les let's play des premiers jeux ou vous ne les avez pas fait. Ça tout se mélange un peu, effectivement. Et du coup, j'imagine que Dreamfall est le début des conséquences de toute cette organisation qu'on a là maintenant. April.
April?
You. I should have guessed you'd be here. Or it's not actually you. This place is strange. You're probably just an echo. A ghost. What was that whole thing about find her, save her? I found you, but I didn't save you. I didn't save anyone.
You did.
How?
I was trapped. You freed me
You died.
and was reborn.
Reborn? How? You're not telling. Or this echo is incomplete. I know this can't be you, not really, because you're dead, and this is just... So, what do I do now? I'm supposed to save the dream, but I don't know how.
What have you learned?
I don't know. Westhouse brought the Undreaming to Arcadia. First, it was inside him, but then he put it into the Soul Stone shard. He became the Prophet, and he manipulated the Azadi people, freed Clax, and... Clax? The shard's inside Clax. Which means the Undreaming is inside Clax, and that spear can shatter it.
The one that killed the White Dragon?
The silver spear of Gorimon? That's what you were supposed to show me, Crow. The key to destroying the shard and unleashing the Undreaming. The Undreaming isn't the real danger here. I mean, yes, it is dangerous, but only because Westhouse is using it, controlling it. We need to unleash the Undreaming.
That sounds a teensy-weensy bit risky.
I know, but this is what has to happen. I don't know why I know. Maybe because Lux knows, and Lux is part of me now.
We find the spear and murder Clax and unleash the Undreaming, all by ourselves?
We can't. We need help. We need...
Kian.
Kian. If I can get word to Kian, then there's still hope. But I need to get out of here. How do I get out of here?
Good luck, Zoe.
Merci. Bon. Bah ça va pas être simple hein, de récupérer le bâton du grand méchant pour tuer le deuxième grand méchant. Je vous le dis.
Hey, funny bird.
April?
Are you ready to go now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I am.
Du coup il est vraiment
Missed you,
mort,
April.
Crow aussi.
I've missed you too. Come on, Crow. We have a long journey ahead
Ouais
of
c'est
us.
ça. Leurs âmes sont libérées. Oh c'est triste. Bon au moins ils se sont retrouvés d'une certaine manière. Hein, mais bon. Oh ça fait quelque chose. Par contre je vois pas comment ils vont se débrouiller, mais bon bref. J'ai un peu peur que ce soit rushé honnêtement. Je l'avais déjà dit dans l'épisode d'avant je crois. Ou celui d'encore avant. Chapitre 13. The Longest Journey. Ouais, ça doit être le dernier chapitre. Enfin il y a peut-être un épilogue bien sûr, mais bon. Et du coup on a à nouveau Zoé.
I'm back. I'm back. Well, my mind's back.
C'est
I
angoissant
know
ces
what I need
cercueils.
to
Hein.
do, but still in the fucking pod. I need to get out of the pod right now. Okay, so I don't think Helena knows I'm awake. Better keep it that way, or she'll just drug me again.
Ok, faut s'échapper de la capsule.
That panel operates the pod, and oh, it's right there. Only a thin sheet of plastic away. A thin sheet of very, very strong plastic. Dad! Is he okay? He looks unharmed. Oh, thank God. Mother, dearest. I can't believe that bitch is my biological mum.
Bah, je vois rien d'autre avec quoi interagir pour le moment. Ah, peut-être avec papa, regardez.
Helena must have tied him up. She's completely unhinged. No, if Helena hears me, she'll drug me again. And then, that's the end of it. Of everything.
Bah, j'ai pas 36 solutions. Hein.
That panel operates the pod.
Qu'est-ce que je n'ai pas compris?
She looks preoccupied. I guess altering the observable universe requires focus. Dad! Is he okay? He looks unharmed. Oh, thank God. That panel operates the pod, and oh, it's right there.
Ça, c'est des passages qui sont toujours un petit peu agaçants, parce qu'en gros, il n'y a rien. On peut interagir avec rien, et du coup, même le fait qu'il y ait si peu d'interaction, et qu'on trouve pas ce qu'il faut faire, on se sent un peu bébête, hein, on va pas se mentir. J'essaie de voir s'il n'y a pas un truc que j'aurais raté. Ah, attendez, j'ai cru voir une roue dentée, mais je crois que c'était le décor. Je crois que c'était le décor. Je crois que c'est ça que j'ai vu. Ouais, non, il doit rien avoir là. Oh là 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 là. On réinspecte autour de nous, hein, mais bon. À part Gabriel et Elena, vraiment pas grand chose. Ah, regardez. Distorsion de la réalité.
Looks like reality is wavering, breaking apart. The walls between dream and reality are starting to get thin near that vortex. It's Eingana's doing. And mine. Wait, does that mean I can... Yes, I'm on the border between waking and dream. Story time's right here, a thought away, which means I can shape dreams. I can change reality. It's a tear between reality and dreaming. Helena must have tied him up. She's completely unhinged. Locked. With a code, of course. That panel operates the pod, and oh, it's right there. Only a thin sheet of plastic away, a thin sheet of a very... Come on, Helena. It must be in there somewhere, the code. You must have been thinking about it just there. Got it.
Ça y est, elle va avoir des super pouvoirs dans tous les sens, notre Zoé.
Okay, so let's try this. 7914.
Ah bah super, c'était discret.
This isn't right. You shouldn't be able to... Hold on, Zoe? Just wait. Let's talk this through.
Pourquoi je peux pas interagir?
With Eingana, the wave field will
Peut-être qu'il faut
collapse
qu'elle soit plus
before it's
proche.
reached the correct amplitude. Don't you understand? This reality is perfectly entangled with the proto-reality. I need you back inside to make the necessary changes. Look,
Stop.
Ah, t'as essayé de me gazer, hein. Oh, ça y est, c'est Dieu. Ah, je suis pas très fan de ce genre de choses,
your
honnêtement.
powers are manifesting an observed reality, independent of the quantum field generated by Angana. That's interesting. That means the world is changing. You're in control. It's working, Zoe. It's working. It's beginning to...
Enough, Helena.
Oh, put that thing down.
Pourquoi t'es
Gabrielle.
juste
We
en
both know
face?
you won't use it.
Reste à
Our
distance,
contract is void.
patate.
Wati security is right outside that door, and you've set your insane project in motion. What's stopping me from killing you right now?
Her. You won't kill your little girl's mother in front of...
What's that? What's happening?
I don't know. This never occurred in any of my models.
The cut.
Ok.
It's closing up.
It's temporary. You'll need to have it looked at by a proper medic before the night's over, or you'll bleed to death.
Is this magic?
Who cares? It's saving your life. Delaying death.
Utana. She did this. Who are you?
Long story. How are you feeling?
Better. Good.
Great. We're running a bit short on time, so you'll have to excuse me.
Very impressive. What school of sorcery is this?
Not magic. And shut up. I'm trying to focus. Hey,
Hey?
nice outfit.
Regardez en haut à
Thanks.
gauche.
You've opened a portal between Stark and Arcadia.
It's called a shift.
You're a shifter.
Not really. I usually walk paths that are already open. To be honest, I'm not very good at this. I need to stay right here to keep this shift open, so we'll have to skip the handshakes and move on to the main event. Kian, Zoe, Zoe, Kian. I know you guys are supposed to speak. That's why we're all here. So speak. And, make it quick?
We've met before in...
We have. We keep missing each other and...
We do. You
I'm
don't,
just-
what?
You first. Zoe.
I know who the Prophet is, and I know how to stop the Undreaming. Or at least, I think I do. It might not work, but it's all we have, and... Roper Clax. He's the key. He has a shard of the Soul Stone inside him, but we need the Silver Spear of Gorimon to destroy it, and that's...
Zoe. Slow down. The undreaming.
A destructive force, capable of unmaking the universe. The Prophet's using it to destroy magic and reunite the worlds.
And this magical spear.
The Silver Spear of Gorimon. The Prophet used it to kill the Draic kin, charging it with dragon's blood. He needs it to destroy magic and alter the dream. The spear is the only thing that can shatter the shard inside Clax.
Of course. And where do we find the spear?
The Prophet carries it with him. I don't think he lets it out of his sight.
So, find the Prophet, find the spear.
And probably Clax.
Klax was here. I punched him, but he got away.
Someone survived being punched by you.
I held back. He called himself an engineer.
The Prophet's been using Klax, like he's been using your people.
But why does he want to kill magicals?
Maybe, in his own twisted head, Brian believes he's doing the universe a favor.
Could you guys get a move on? I'm not sure how long I can keep this doorway open.
We need to stop the Prophet, Kian. And we stop him by destroying the shard of the Soul Stone Roper Klax carries inside him.
You're certain this will stop the undreaming?
I think so. It feels right. Besides, what have we got to lose?
Nothing. Everything. But if we can stop the Prophet by taking his spear and killing a wizard, this is something I can do.
I'm coming with you.
No.
No, you can't. We're not done here.
I'll see the two of you afterwards.
No, you won't.
Ah,
Nothing. I'm Saga.
I'm Zoe, but you know that.
Kian va mourir.
This may look
Ok.
easy, but it's not. Weight of worlds on my shoulders, the pull of alien gravities, knees
Saga va
buckling,
mourir.
etc. So you need to not distract me.
Okay, sorry. What should I...
We wait. I opened the shift, you spoke to Keon, that's why I was sent here. What comes next? It's not up to me.
How do you know all this?
Because that's how the story goes. And it's been written, and we can't change that. Now shush.
Okay.
Ok. Eh bien écoutez, c'est sur ces événements, on va dire. On va pas parler de révélation, hein. Quoi qu'il y en a eu quand même pas mal dans l'épisode, mais bon, elles sortent un petit peu de nulle part aussi, donc c'est un petit peu... Je sais pas, c'est trop bizarre. C'est comme si on avait tout un pan du jeu qui aurait dû être développé en tant que jeu et qui se déroule sous forme de semi-cinématique et de phases légèrement interactives. C'est un petit peu étrange, mais bon, soit. En tout cas, il y a beaucoup de choses où on dit juste, bah c'est comme ça, c'est tout, point. En tout cas, nous, bah on va se laisser là pour cet épisode, parce qu'on doit être à peu près à 45 minutes. Et bah je pense que le prochain sera le dernier, en fait. Je sais pas combien de temps il durera, mais on essaiera de le... Pas de le compresser, mais on fera un épisode plus long si jamais c'est un petit peu trop long. Après, si c'est vraiment trop long, on en fera deux. Mais en tout cas, notre objectif maintenant en tant que Kian, c'est d'aller retrouver le prophète, choper sa lance et tuer Robert Clark avec la lance du prophète. Tout ça me paraît super simple, n'est-ce pas? Et apparemment, ils ont encore des trucs à faire dans le monde, ce que je vais appeler le monde réel, mais en tout cas dans Stark, le monde de Stark. Un petit peu trop de choses d'un coup en vrai, mais bon. Bah écoutez, en tout cas, c'est là où le jeu veut nous mener, donc on va le suivre. J'espère en tout cas que vous avez apprécié cet épisode un petit peu chaotique. Et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.